What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So XRP seems to be all the rage right now. Everybody is talking about what XRP is doing, what the potential of XRP can be. And, YouTube seems to be kind of blowing up with more and more information on what's happening. We are ready to see it absolutely explode, which I talked about in my previous video, is that we were seeing it make moves and we're ready to see it get to some of these higher prices and break some of these higher prices for 2023. Right? Not necessarily saying the highest price. We would love to see it break its all-time high, but let's just talk about what 2023 has in store within that video, which honestly, if I had to give my prediction and just talk about that, I was thinking that the prediction for 2023 is seeing that we would break $1. Ultimate prediction for me, I believe that $10 to $20 is where I stand with majority of my XRP being sold, as well as seeing some XRP that I hold on to, whether it's between 100 or 500 that I hold on to for 1,000, 10,000, whatever other price it ends up getting to or potentially getting to. So you never know what's going to happen. You never know what's going to be burned. You never know who's going to do a buyback and burn or whatever, right? And if you don't know what's going to happen, if you don't know the information behind it, it's better to be safe than sorry, right? You want to make sure that you're catching profit, you're gathering profit throughout the process, but then you're also preparing yourself for what this ultimately could be. You don't want to have another Papa John's pizza with 10,000 Bitcoin on your hands, right? Because you could have had so much money at that point. Sorry that I always bring that up, but it's a huge, comparison. It's you understand why people get butthurt about something like that. Like you missed a huge opportunity to become insanely wealthy and give your family a better life, or give your family just a little bit more money. Maybe your family has a great life, but maybe you just have a little bit more money to buy things and not worry about the next price or the next price or the next meal or anything like that, right? So XRP, there are price predictions out there. Not just looking at my price prediction. I talked about my price prediction and where I believe that it will get to, and ultimately the whether we will see it possibly get to some of these levels, right? But there are predictions out there by experts, by people that create different articles, that do analysis, and really do take a lot of information in and put a lot of information out. So let's talk about these price predictions here and where they see XRP, that XRP is going. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. If you guys want to check out any of my referral links, or follow me on Twitter, or follow me on Rumble, those links are in the description. Feel free to do that. Now, again, if you didn't see my first video in XRP, this is where it currently stands. It's at about 71 cents. It's up almost 9% on the day. We're seeing $3.2 billion worth of volume. And the market cap is now above $38 billion. Again, putting it above BNB when it comes to market cap. I guess BNB actually rose a little bit. So XRP was above BNB earlier today, but BNB is now up 3%. So it did end up surpassing it. But and seeing XRP that has come back down, that's probably where you have seen that difference there. So it keeps fighting back and forth. BNB at 38 billion, XRP also at 38 billion. It's just BNB has about 200 billion more in market cap as of right now, but that won't be forever, right? We'll see XRP that surpasses BNB by far, and you won't have any issues with how far XRP is going, or how far or what competition it has with the fourth, or technically how you look at it, third largest cryptocurrency that's out there. So let's get into what the predictions are that are here for XRP. While we see the price and we see everything that was moving over the last 7 days, how it's up 22%, over the last month, how it's up 35%, and we want to see this up 100%. What are the predictions that are out here? Well, Changeley has a interesting prediction, right? I kind of like where they're going with this. And the reason why I like where they're going with this, not the ultimate goal, but at least where they started, because it looked like it was on pace to kind of be that same rate. We saw that yesterday was sitting around 63 for a little bit, then pushed up to 60, like 667, something like that. And we were like, all right, it's a little bit above schedule, but right now it's, way ahead of schedule, way ahead of the curve that they have here. So November 6th, they say it's going to get to 65 cents or 66 cents. And currently we're seeing this at 71-ish cents. So that was the highest price that we saw. Well, the highest price we saw it get to was about 73. So 73 cents. So it's way behind the curve there. Then you have the 7th where it was supposed to get up to 70. The 8th, let's see if this can actually fit, which would be in 2 days. Can we see it get up to 77? Can we see it get up to 80? The 9th says it's supposed to be 85, and then, seeing it 87, and then it's going to retrace down to 78, 74, 76, 77, 79, 80. And it's basically saying it's going to fluctuate between the level of 74, I guess, and 86 before decreasing again and seeing it drop down by the end of November there. It does get to 81, 80, and then back down to 77, 75, 76, 77, and ultimately back down to 69. So where it started at, where it was 69 here for November 7th, it says it's going to basically get back down there. Now, I don't necessarily see that. In my opinion, depending what happens within the markets, I believe XRP can easily, jump above, and this is at, beginning of December. But as we see that, I believe that we could see this hit $1 and break through $1 by the end of the year, especially with the movement that we have been seeing. I said this in my last video. But as you go through a further prediction and looking at 2023, they say the maximum price will be 78 cents. Or 79 cents, which doesn't make sense because they literally just talked about how it can get up to 80 cents. So it didn't really line up with me. But then 2024, they're saying $1.07 to $1.26, 2025, $1.61 to $1.82, and 2026, I said 2025, 2026 would be $2.44 to $2.91 there. So I see all of this that they're predicting here happening well before it hits 2026. These are conservative levels that a lot of these experts end up adopting because it protects them from, saying, hey, this was actually going to pump, and, any type of pump and dumps and all of this other type of thing, any type of lawsuit that comes their way, because they said, hey, this is going to run to a whole nother level. I firmly believe that it's going to run to a ridiculous level. I believe that 2024, as we see the bull market, there's no reason why we can't predict that XRP, a position that's gotten to $120+ billion market cap, can't get to that point again. And even if they are offering 1 billion coins added from escrow per month, that still doesn't take up the fact that this can get to $120 billion market cap, which would be well over that point of, a 50 or $1, right? So $50 billion would be $1. Even if we saw it in the next 2 months, which is $1 billion per month, we would see a $55 or $56 billion or 56 billion coins, meaning that $1 price would be a $56 billion market cap. $100 billion market cap or $112 billion market cap would be a $2 price point. So I see this going a lot further, but ultimately, it all does depend on the different detail, the news that we have in the new year, which we don't know what that news is going to be, how positive it's going to be, and also how people are going to react to that thing. So that's really the predictions. If we wanted to go to the end goal, they said that by 2032, we'll see a $26 price point and a low point of a $22 price point. My range that I believe it's going to get to for more of a realistic perspective, as well as maybe moderately aggressive perspective, is the $10 price to $20 price, which is a $500 billion market cap to $1 trillion market cap, with all the hype and all the belief and all the use case, right? So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below, my Rumble link, my Twitter link. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.